Hello, welcome to Blissful Spaces. I was able to come across 4 cases and 10 packs of canning lids. And look at this. This is my blessing. I was gifted 3 boxes of mason jars. Some of the jars had candle wax in it. All I had to do was put it in the freezer, and then the wax came right out. And then I was able to go ahead and wash all those jars. They were gently used, but I washed them 3 times and I bleached them 3 times. And I just wanted to share my blessing with you. Right now, my garden is in between stages. A lot of things are growing. But in the meantime, I've been preparing my home, the inside. I've been doing a really deep cleaning and going through all my closets and donating things, organizing, donating, and cleaning, preparing for the fall, winter, and the flu season. So I just wanted to share you and give a little update. I appreciate everybody that's been liking, commenting, and all my new subscribers. I truly appreciate you taking time out to come visit my page. As always, stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. And I'll see you in my next video, which will be a garden update. Blessings. So after cleaning up the mason jars, I discovered that some of them are antique mason jars. Wow, I love antiques.